Midnight Meridian. Dive into the shadowed landscape of design with the deep, inky depths of Montana blue and smoky quartz collide with the haunting shimmer of crystal AB patina. And there's more, but you'll have to get it. And then there's a list of what should be in your box. Moving my mic a little closer. Sorry about that. So we've got some lovely jade cord. It's an adjustable jade cord. Oh, this is a new one. Wonder how it's adjustable. Like that. Wonder if there's another way of doing that. I'll have to look at a video or something about that, because I'm not quite sure. Bead tech. Alright. Some really pretty quad bows. Look at that color. Whew. And white teal. So pretty. So pretty. And some Bali style spacers. Very nice. Those are pretty. Oh my goodness, very lovely. Okay. So we got some check drop beads and mixed blue swirl. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. Ooh, look at this turquoise. Magnazite turquoise. Very nice. Ooh, a wishbone. Wishbone charm. Very fun. Very lovely. And they do a very nice job with all their charms. And ooh, liquid silver straight tubes. Wow, these are beautiful. Silver plated, but real silver. So pretty. Wowzers. Ooh, look at that Rivoli. It's sparkly. Look at that. So pretty. Some baby pink pearls. Very lovely. Latex, no fray, latex-free elastic cord. Woohoo! Very fun. These are round duo beads in white gray luster. I don't know what that means. White. Something else they called white. But you can. It's hard to see on camera, but there is a sheen to them. Metallic silver 8/0s. Very lovely. Ooh, look at this smoky. This is let's see. Strand of, where are you? I can't find it on the list. I'm sure it's there. But some kind of smoky glass bead. Very check glass rounds, probably. I see on the list. Ooh, look at these crystals. Ooh, so beautiful. Ooh, look at that sparkle. Wowzers. Missed. Where'd that go? There you are. Bezeled Chatons and gold champagne. Ooh, PCBs. So lovely. Look at that. So pretty. It's hard to see the goldish color in them, but it is very... Ooh, excuse me. Some more my Yuki sea beads in Montana. Blue gold luster. Ooh, so pretty. Look at all that. Oh, look at that shine. And last but not least, a very pretty silver plated toggle. Yep, premium real silver. Very lovely. Thank you, Potomac Beads.